raid sirens echoed through Ukraine's capital city Kyiv and Kharkiv, Ukraine's second-largest city, on April 19th, just hours after Russian President Vladimir Putin announced a unilateral Easter ceasefire. The warning sirens began sounding at 9 p.m. local time, 3 hours after the ceasefire was supposed to come into effect. Earlier that day, President Putin had unexpectedly declared a one-day pause in fighting for the Easter holiday. However, Ukrainian officials reported that attacks persisted, saying the ceasefire couldn't be trusted and urging Russia to agree instead to a 30-day truce previously accepted by Kyiv. Putin's announcement came shortly after the U.S. warned it might walk away from peace negotiations if both sides failed to show a genuine commitment to dialogue. Under the terms of the ceasefire, Putin had ordered all fighting to halt from 6 p.m. Moscow time on Saturday until midnight Sunday.